hot one Linus so cool 哇，希望关灯变这样子哦 ，Who cares 哦？地球没有人住了的啦，Human will change one 还是一肚子最死劲，吃东西先。
打包啊？
有咯。
你打包 ？Why you use police stream? I thought you bring Tupperware.
哈，他不会啊，我这样 man，那是用打包的啦，他不会是你是用的嘞。
哎，拜托，这个不是 man 不 man 的问题，这是跟环保有关，就是因为你们这种人哦，地球才会越来越糟。Pick it up, Adam. Adam.
Who are you? Who are you? Hello?
Again.
Who are you? Huh? Can you please just stop catching me?
You are such a jerk. How could you hurt the Mother Earth again and again? I, the voice, now telling you I aim you because you have the worst attitude towards the Earth. You are given 10 days to change all over again. If you fail, you are game over. No change, no life.
Ha! Love it. Miss Girls Miss Girls. Sorry. Miss Boys. So is this your purpose? Oh, what? 10 days Walao eh. Take my life? Or throwing me into rubbish dump? Walao, don't fool me lah weh.
Please take it seriously.
Sorry. I can hear you. I think I shall leave this control. Come on, 我会关的。
Pick up, Adam. You have only 9 days left.
10 days again
You have only 8 days left to become an eco-friendly person, or else your life will be ended. This will be the end if you continue the worst attitude.
Oh my god! Why so red one? What's the one? Where's here? No, I wanna go home.
Ui, okay?
I'm okay. 唉 it's already the 10 days. What will happen after the 10 days? 我不想死欸。
Everything will be fine if you keep it up.
Are you the worst?
Yeah, I'm here for farewell. Before I leave, I'm going to show you your life bar.
Oh my god. It's full now.
I'm happy for changes.
I'm so grateful for a present to mommy. Or else 我会更糟糕。
Just take good care of the earth.
No, where are you going? I will miss you, boys. Super Echo，是大自然，非常棒。